Let's explore Mixpanel, an analytics tool that tracks important actions or events on our dating site, such as creating profiles, messaging, or matching. Once a user joins, Mixpanel captures details like profile answers and technical data, helping us segment users for deeper behavior analysis. Every action a user takes, from sending messages to engaging with emails, is tracked, with details for comprehensive insight. But Mixpanel's real power shines when we view users in groups based on their actions or properties, uncovering valuable insights about our site's performance. Mixpanel offers 4 key report types to understand user behavior. Insights shows trends for any event. You can break down data by user groups and apply filters to uncover specific trends. Funnels help us see how users move through a series of steps, like signing up or making a purchase. It's great for identifying where users drop off. With flows, we understand the path users take on our site, revealing common journeys and potential roadblocks. Although a bit complex, retention reports are crucial. They show how well we keep users coming back, hiding valuable insights for improving our service. Each report type offers unique insights to help make informed decisions and grow our business. Let's dive into insights reports using real data from Tune2Love. We'll start simple and then delve deeper. First, we create an insights report for all events on our site. Initially, we see unique user activities over the last 30 days, shown daily. It's a start, but we need more detail. Let's switch to total events to view the total daily actions on our site. More informative, but we can go deeper. Next, we apply a breakdown by event name to observe how different events trend over time. Switching to a pie chart gives us a visual on event distribution. Noticeably, profile likes are most frequent, signaling strong user engagement, our first key insight. We don't stop there. We explore further, looking at events like user deletion to identify churn trends. Or email bounce to assess our mailing list's health. Each step brings us closer to understanding our users and improving our site. By analyzing these insights, we pinpoint where we excel and where there's room to grow, guiding our next business steps. To get a clearer picture of how our users engage with Tune2Love, we start by examining the total events for key actions, profile view, search view, and profile like. This gives us a broad view of the overall activity on our site. Upon analyzing the total events, we see a vibrant picture of interaction. But to understand the real impact, we switch our focus to the averages. This shift reveals some intriguing patterns about user behavior. On average, we find that a user searches 6 times per day. Interesting to note, on average per day, user views 10 profiles but likes 30. It's curious that people like more profiles than they view. This raises questions worth further investigation to better understand user behavior on our platform. To round out our understanding, we then add the profiles matched event to our analysis. Looking at the averages, it turns out there are about 2 matches per user per day. This rate of matches is a good indicator of successful connections being made on the platform. Now, let's dive into a straightforward report that sparks interesting observations. We focus on one key event, the start of a new conversation. By selecting this event and displaying the average number of conversations started by each user, we add a layer of insight by breaking it down by gender. the findings are quite revealing. Women on our site initiate conversations significantly more than men, with an average of 10 conversations per user per day, compared to just 5 for men. This difference prompts us to think deeper about user engagement and how gender dynamics play out on our platform. Let's look at another straightforward report: search parameters. This helps us see what traits our users prioritize in potential partners. It turns out age, gender, location, and online status are top concerns for nearly everyone, aiming for immediate interaction and specific matches. Users also show a keen interest in understanding the intentions of their potential partners. Other characteristics are less prioritized, showing a more uniform distribution across preferences. This insight allows us to grasp what matters most to our users in their search for meaningful connections, highlighting the key areas to focus on for improving their experience on our platform. Let's address another crucial aspect of search effectiveness. By analyzing how often searches end with no results, we find that about 20% of searches yield 0 matches. This indicates a significant opportunity for enhancement. Investigating why users often face such outcomes can help us improve search algorithms and user satisfaction. Exploring an interesting pie chart reveals the sources of user profile openings. The source parameter tracks these origins. Given the varied interfaces across platforms, selecting a platform-specific filter, like PWA, offers clearer insights. Unsurprisingly, most profile views originate from searches on the PWA platform. However, by segmenting this data further, we can uncover deeper insights into user behavior and preferences, offering a more nuanced understanding of how users interact with profiles. Next, we explore funnels, essential for tracking user journeys and identifying bottlenecks. Funnels map out steps in a process, starting with something straightforward: the rate at which initiated conversations receive a reply. On the PWA platform, this rate is 60%, indicating strong user engagement, a positive sign. Diving deeper, a breakdown by gender shows women are slightly more likely to receive responses. Regardless, such a high response rate across the board highlights excellent user engagement. Now, let's tackle a more complex analysis by simulating a complete user journey, from search to receiving a message reply. Imagine a user sequence: searching, viewing a profile, liking it, starting a conversation, and finally, receiving a reply. By adding these steps to our funnel, we observe the overall conversion rate for users who begin this journey. Interestingly, 11% initiate a conversation, but only 5% receive a reply, with the largest drop occurring from sending likes to initiating conversations. This suggests we might need to encourage users more to start conversations. Incorporating a gender breakdown provides deeper insights. Consistent with earlier findings, women are more proactive in starting dialogues and also have a higher chance of receiving replies. Specifically, nearly 12% of women who search receive a reply, compared to 3% for men. Exploring further, a breakdown by platform reveals that the PWA version sees significantly higher conversion rates. This discrepancy prompts us to consider differences in interface or user behavior across platforms, offering new avenues for enhancing user experience. Returning to fundamentals, the sign-up funnel stands out as crucial for continuous optimization. By charting this funnel from start to finish and breaking it down by platform, we uncover distinct patterns. Notably, desktop signups show lower conversion rates. Upon deeper investigation, we've identified a contributing factor. On desktop platforms, there's a higher incidence of scam account attempts, which typically fail to complete the required sign-up steps. This insight, though straightforward, is vital for understanding platform-specific challenges and underscores the importance of tailoring our anti-fraud measures. Venturing further into funnels, analyzing email marketing's impact is essential. Mixpanel stands out by integrating data to craft detailed reports. From the moment an email is sent to a user visiting our site, we track the journey. The click-through rate stands at 6%, a starting point for deeper analysis. Segmenting by email subject reveals more nuanced insights. Emails alerting users to new messages see an impressive 60% click-through rate, showcasing high user interest. Conversely, notifications about profile likes fall short in engagement. This data not only highlights user preferences, but also guides us in fine-tuning our email strategies to enhance user interaction. Moving to a key funnel for business owners, conversion from paywall to purchase. This is a prime area for testing, modifying the purchase page. Experimenting with pricing or tweaking the text can significantly impact conversions. Interestingly, a breakdown by platform reveals that desktop, despite underperforming in other metrics, leads in purchase conversions. It underscores the importance of platform-specific strategies and the potential of minor adjustments to enhance revenue. Lastly, we delve into retention, a complex yet crucial report indicating how users return to our product. Analyzing 30-day retention by day, we observe that most users don't come back after the first day. Breaking it down by gender, women show slightly better retention, yet there's significant room for improvement. Why is this report vital? Beyond showing if people revisit our product, retention helps us understand user churn and, importantly, predict the lifetime value (LTV) of users. This key metric is essential for planning ad campaigns and evaluating our product's economic viability. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it insightful. We encourage you to experience the power of the Mixpanel plugin for SkaDate firsthand. To get started with real data, please send us a request for a demo. Discover how Mixpanel can transform your data into actionable insights.